Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to identify and install the 72994 wet end on your model 36675 Wavemaster 7000 jet pump. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, 1/4 inch socket, hacksaw, needle nose vice grips, and channel locking pliers. Parts you will need: 72994 wet end kit and silicone grease. Step 1. Identify the pump by finding the model number and vendor code. The 36675 pump will only have a model number. This pump came out with two different wet ends, a Gecko and a Vico. The 72994 wet end will work as a replacement for both. Step 2. Remove the suction cover screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. If the screws are rusted like the ones in this video, use a hacksaw to cut them off. Step 3. Loosen the vent shroud screw and remove the vent shroud to gain access to the shaft. Step 4. Use a flat blade screwdriver to hold the shaft in place while you unscrew the impeller with your hand. Step 5. If the impeller won't come loose, attach your needle nose vice grips to the shaft and loosen the impeller. If it still won't come loose, use your channel locking pliers to break the impeller loose. Step 6. Remove the impeller and shaft seal. Step 7. Loosen the 4 long bolts that hold the volute or wet end to the motor with your 1/4 inch socket and remove the volute. Step 8. If the bolts are rusty, spray them with some lubricant. Step 9. Loosen the suction cover screws on the 72994 and remove the suction cover, impeller, shaft seal, and wear ring. Step 10. Install the new volute on the motor with the long bolts. Step 11. Clean the white ceramic surface of the shaft seal with a paper towel. It should be completely free of any dirt or oils. The ceramic surface will butt up against the graphite surface of the second half of the shaft seal. The side with the rubber O-ring will face the impeller. Make sure the graphite surface of the shaft seal is facing away from the impeller. Step 12. Install the shaft seal and impeller by holding the shaft in place with your flat blade screwdriver and turning the impeller clockwise until it stops. Step 13. Install the wear ring on the impeller. The fat end of the wear ring should be facing away from the impeller. Step 14. Cover the O-ring with silicone grease and install it on the suction cover. Step 15. Install the suction cover on the volute and tighten the suction cover screws. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.